So the next portion of that differentiation is derivative of the inverse trigonometric function. You have studied inverse trigonometric function, so you know about that. So sine inverse, cos inverse, cosec inverse, that are the inverse trigonometric functions. So what is the derivative of that functions? Okay, that is y is equal to sine inverse x, then dy by dx is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That is the derivative of sine inverse x. Then derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x is 1 by modulus of x into root of x square minus 1. Cosec inverse x is minus 1 by modulus of x root of x square minus 1. So these trigonometric functions is related to each other. Okay, the derivative of sine inverse x is given, and that negative is the derivative of cos inverse x. And tan inverse x derivative, then the negative is cot inverse x, and sec inverse x derivatives negative is cosec inverse x derivative. Okay, so you have to just correlate and relate these derivatives, then you can study it and there will be no confusion. Relate, always study with relating, correlate with another. Okay, you have to relate with one and the other, then you will easy for that. Okay. And next is the derivative of implicit function. That is, what is implicit function? Is a variable y is said to be implicit of another variable x when y is expressed directly in terms of x. That is implicit function. If a function is given and yes, if a function y is said to be implicit of the another function x if y is expressed directly in terms of x. Okay, that is y is along on the left hand side of the equation, and the terms containing x and constants are on the right hand side. Okay, that is a relation is expressed in form of f of xy is equal to 0. That equation contains x and y. Okay, then either variable is said to be implicit function of the other. X is the implicit function of y and y is the implicit function of x, that you can say. And another is given, x cube plus 3x square y plus 5x y square plus y cube equal to 0. That function is an implicit function. Okay, it is the function of x and x that of y. You can say like that. Then what is the derivative of that functions, implicit functions? Okay, by an example, dy by dx, you have to find dy by dx. So the function is 2x square minus xy plus y square plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So what you have to do is, okay, you have to differentiate the function implicitly with respect to x. Then you will get, because dy by you have to find dy by dx. Okay, then that is d by dx of 2x square minus d by dx of xy plus d by dx of y square plus d by dx of 3y minus d by dx of 4, which is equal to 0. Okay, then d by dx of 2x square is equal to 4x. First, you know it is 2. First derivative is 2x square, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into x. 4x dy by dx of x y, which is y, because y it is which is x. Okay, that is xy is given. That two functions are related because x is in terms of y and y is in terms of x. So you have to do the product rule. The two functions are related. So xy, first function into derivative of second into derivative of first. Okay, that is x dy by dx plus y is the answer. And what is y square? Same, d by dy of y square into dy by dx. Okay, that is 2y into dy by dx. Okay, and d by dx of 3x is 3 dy by dx, because y is you have to derive you have to find the derivative of y also, the function y. Okay, then the answer is you will get dy by dx as 4x minus y by x minus 2y minus 3. Okay, that is the answer. I think all of you understood that. Implicit functions. Next is a parametric function. Yes, parametric functions means, yes, x and y both functions are variable. That is, x is f of t, which is a function of t, and y is function of another function of t. F of t and y of phi of t. Phi is given, phi of t. Okay, sorry. And then these equations are called parametric equation, because two parameters are there, but the functions are in two. Yes, functions are in two types. So t is the third variable here, x and y, and which is in the another variable. The function is defined, that variable is t, and that is the parametric equations, and t is the parameter. Okay, then how will you find dy by dx? Okay, that is given there. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. Okay, that is, as a small proof has been given, you have not do that proof, but you have to study the derivative. Dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt, or dy by dt into dt by dx. Okay, that is as example, then you will be clear. X is equal to 80 square, y is equal to 280. Then what is dy by dx? X is equal to 80 square, so what is dx by dt? 2 into 80. Okay, and y is equal to 280. Then what is the dy by dt? 2 into a. Dt by dt is 1, so 2 into a, 2a. Then what is dy by dx? Dy by dt by dx by dt, or dy by dt into that is you can just divide it. That is 2a by 2at, which is 1 by t. Okay, like that. You have to just remember that equation. Dy by dt is dx by dt by dy by dy by dt by dx by dt. That is dy by dx. Okay. Yes. Then next is the differentiation of a function with respect to another function. With respect to another function, we have that is, a function is given, you have to differentiate that function with respect to another. Okay, in this all the above topics with respect to x, with respect to t, like that, but you have to given another function to differentiate. Then what will you do? Suppose u is equal to f of x, v is equal to g of x, be two functions. Then f of x should be differentiated in terms of g of x with respect to x, that is u with respect to v, that is du by dv. You have to differentiate function u with respect to v, that is du by dv, and v with respect to u, that is dv by du. Okay, then the result is du by dv is equal to du by dx by dv by dx, similar as the parametric function. So as an example, differentiate x square by 1 plus x square with respect to x square. So here u is x square by 1 plus x square and v is x square. So first you have to find du by dv. So find du by dx and dv by dx, then divide it. Okay, you will get the answer. And the next is the logarithmic differentiation. Okay, The process of taking logarithms before differentiation is logarithmic differentiation. That is, it is useful in the differentiating functions of the type u raised to v. That is a variable raised to another variable or a function raised to another function. Okay, then when that types of equation came, you have to use this method. Okay, product and function fractions like u, v and u by v, you can use this. That is x plus 2 by x minus 1 by x plus 5, x minus 1 into x plus 5. Then you can take the logarithm. That is log of y is equal to log of x plus 2 by log of x minus 1 into x plus 2. So then you can get it as log of x plus 2 minus log of x minus 1 minus log of x plus 1. This is given in the previous class. I have given in the previous class. That is the derivative of logarithmic function. You can check out that and then you will get clearly understand this. Then differentiating with respect to x, log of y with respect to x is 1 by log y. Derivative of log y is 1 by y. Then with respect to x, you have to find the derivative of y also. So 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to 1 by x plus 2 minus 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 5. Then multiplying with y, substituting y, you will get the answer. This is how you have to, using logarithmic differentiation, how will you find the derivative of function. Type 2, variable raised to variable or function raised to function. That is y is equal to u raised to v. Then log y is log of u raised to v. Log of u raised to v is v log u. V log u. Okay, and then differentiate it. That is the derivative of a function raised to another function. d by dx of u raised to v is u raised to v into v by u du by dx plus log u dv by dx. Okay. Another example. y is equal to x raised to x. That is log of y is equal to x log x. Then differentiating with respect to x. 1 by y into dy by dx is equal to x into 1 by x, product rule. X into 1 by x plus log x into 1. Then substituting the y, you will get the answer. Next is the higher derivative or successive differentiation. Higher derivative means they all till you have find only the first derivative, dy by dx. Then next derivative is d square y by dx square. That is f double dash of x. Then that is the second derivative. Okay, first derivative is y is equal to fx given. Okay, the y is equal to dy by dx is the first derivative, or f dash of x. dy by dx or f dash of x, that is the first derivative. Then d square y by dx square or f double dash of x is the second derivative. Third derivative is d cube y by dx cube or f triple dash x. That is the third derivative. This is the successive derivatives, higher derivatives. Okay, second derivative, third derivative, etc. Nth derivative. D raised to n of y by dx raised to n, or f raised to n of x, fnx, which is the nth derivative. This is the higher derivative. Okay, yes, this is higher derivatives. This is the second derivative. Some problems has been given. Y is equal to x, simple problem. Y is equal to x, dy by dx is 1. Then what is the second derivative? You have to find the derivative of dy by dx. Differentiate one more time. Once again, you have to find dy by dx, then differentiate that dy by dx one more time. The answer one more time. Then constant derivative is 0. So d square y by dx square is 0. Okay. Yes. Next is x raised to n. You know n into x raised to n minus 1 is the first derivative. What will be the second derivative? N into n is there. N into n minus 1 into x raised to n minus 2. That is the second derivative. N minus 2. Okay, that is the second derivative. Okay, third derivative is like that. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 the whole n minus 2 into x raised to n minus 3. That is the third derivative, like that. So the all derivatives are being given. Okay. Log of log x, that is 1 by log x into dy by dx of log x equal to 1 by log x into 1 by x, that is 1 by x log x. Then you have to find the next derivative, another derivative, not another derivative, the next degree derivative. Then you have to differentiate dy by dx one more time, that is dx square, d square y by dx square. Quotient formula is used there. The answer is minus 1 plus x, 1 plus log x by x log x the whole square. Okay, yes. Sorry. Okay, then this is the we have completed the chapter differentiation also. Okay, differentiation, you have to remember all the equations here, then you will be easy. And many problems has been given in your textbook. Please do that problems also. Okay, thank you students.